Ipu Ugwunta, Ezudo of his line, Ota, Ogun State. On air? Igwe. In recognition of your immense contributions to people in Ogun State and Nigeria at large, Ipu Progressive Union worldwide hereby confer on you His Royal Majesty Ipu Ugwunta, Ezudo of his land, Ota, Ogun State, this meritorious award this day, 25th April 2021. Congratulations, sir. We present you in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Congratulations, sir.